Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make vegetable sandwiches. These sandwiches are really easy to make and they're really tasty. It's raining outside, so I thought I'll make these sandwiches for my family for tea and also teach you guys how to make them. I'm going to teach you guys to make these sandwiches in two ways. One is using a sandwich maker and the other one using a regular pan on a stove top. All you need for this is bread, butter and some sandwich filling. I have posted a video on how to make vegetable filling for sandwiches. You can follow that and make the vegetable filling for this. I will post the link for that in the description box. All you need is potatoes, carrots and green peas and some spices to make this vegetable filling. Let's learn how to make the sandwiches now. To make the sandwich, we need bread, butter and some sandwich filling. Take some butter and spread the butter nicely on the bread. You can use any bread which you like or whichever you prefer. I am using Oro Wheat brand buttermilk bread to make these sandwiches. These sandwiches are kid friendly and they are really great for parties too. We are done spreading the butter, so we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vegetable filling to 2 slices of bread. Spread the filling nicely into a thin layer. This vegetable filling can be made ahead of time and can be refrigerated for 2 to 3 days. And you can make the sandwiches whenever you want to eat them. After spreading the vegetable filling, you can close the bread with another slice of bread and then press it nicely. After closing the sandwiches, you can use a knife and cut them diagonally like this. These vegetable sandwiches are not only perfect for a picnic or beach day, but it's also convenient to take it to work or school or even for traveling. Now we are going to cook the sandwiches using a sandwich maker. You can use a sandwich maker whichever you have at home, and you can cook the sandwiches according to the directions it gives you. Place the pre-cut sandwiches in the sandwich maker and cook them like this. Close the sandwich maker and then plug the electrical cord to the electrical outlet and cook. Once it's done, you can remove the electrical cord and then your sandwiches are cooked. See how nicely they are done. The sandwiches will be hot, so use a spatula or a knife to remove it from the sandwich maker. These delicious and mouth-watering sandwiches are really easy to make, so please try it at home. You can enjoy eating these sandwiches by itself, or you can add tomato ketchup or any chutney you have at home. Your world famous sandwiches from the Puliadi's kitchen is ready to enjoy. Next, we are going to learn how to make the sandwiches on a regular pan on the stove. Switch on the stove on medium flame and in a pan add the buttered bread slice. Heat the bread until the butter melts on one side and then you can flip it. Toast 2 slices of bread like this in a pan and keep. This sandwich we are making on the stove top is so quick and easy that no one can ever go wrong with this recipe. Nicely toast the bread on both sides. It should look golden brown like this. You can add little bit more butter if you want. Add the vegetable filling and spread it on the bread like this. You can close this with another slice of bread which you have toasted already. Cook it on one side and flip it. For flipping, you can use a spatula so it will be easier for you. So flip it on both sides and cook. Switch off the stove and you can remove the sandwich. Your world famous vegetable sandwiches are ready from the Puliadi's kitchen to enjoy. Make this healthy and delicious sandwiches and enjoy with your family. Thank you.